welcome to Maths Experts. Just follow us, like, and then comment. Now let's look at what we have today. They said 3 consecutive tens of AP have a sum 15 and product 80. Find the numbers. We know sum means addition, and we know product means multiplication. So it's very easy for us to find this. Now let's take our first number in the term to be 0. The first term to be 0. So we know the formula for the arithmetic progression to be un to be equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So let's first of all make n here to be 0. So u0 we got a plus 0 minus 1 d, which we all know we are going to get a plus negative d. So this becomes our first term. Now let's have our second term to be n to be 1, which we are going to get a plus 1 minus 1 d, giving us a plus 0. So our second term, so this becomes first, second is 0, this is 2. Now let's continue and make n here to be 2. So u2 to be a plus 2 minus 1 d. So we have a plus d. This is our third term. So we're able to have all the 3 terms. We're able to have all the 3 terms. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third one. Now let's look at, they said the sum of these terms is 15. So let's add the terms and see. The 3 terms and see. So we have a minus d as our first. We'll continue. We have a as our second, which is this. Sorry, this is a. This is a. It's not 0. This is a. And third, we have a plus d. Now when we add this is a. It will give us 3a. And we are aware that this d here will take off this d. So we have 3a. So this is equal to 15. 3a to be equal to 15. So we have here divided by 3. Here divided by 3. Right? So we have a to be equal to 5. A to be equal to 5. Now let's move on. They said the product of these same 3 terms is 80. So it means that we have a minus d here plus multiplied by a. We are talking about the product, so we are multiplying. Don't forget. We have a plus d. They are multiplying as well, giving us 8, 0. Now let's remember that the a we have here is 5. So let's replace our a by 5. So we have 5 minus d here, multiplying 5 times 5 plus d. Let's multiply all in C. So 5 multiply this will give us 25. 5 multiplying d will give us negative 5d. And we know that it's multiplying 5 plus d. This is equal to 80. This is equal to 80. Now let's see. This will multiply this. 5 multiplying 25 will give us 125. 25 multiplying d will give us plus 25d. Negative 25 multiplying this will give us negative 25d. And negative 5d multiplying this will give us negative 5d squared, giving us 80. 0. So of course we know this negative 25 here will cancel this positive 25. So we have 125 minus 5d to be equal to 8, 0. Don't forget. Now let's group like terms. So we have negative 5d to be equal to 80 minus 125. Now we know that when we take, oh, let's not forget this is square. Sorry. We know that when we take this from this, we are going to get 45, which is negative. So negative 5d squared is equal to negative 45. But you know this is having 5, negative 5. So we divide here by negative 5. We divide here by negative 5. Let me continue the corner here. So this will cancel this. So we have d squared will give us, so when you divide this, it will give us positive 9. Now we find root of both sides. We take root of both sides. So we know this will take this away, and we have d to be, we know root of 9 is 3. So we have d to be 3. So we were able to have our d and our a. Now the question says we should find the numbers. So the first one here, they said it's a minus d. So a minus d, which is our 5 minus 2, which is the first term, this will give us 3. 5 minus 3. Oh, sorry, 5 minus 3. This is going to give us 2 as our first term. Is here. Our second term, they said is a. A is 5. So our second term is 5. Our third term, they said is a plus d. And we know a plus d is 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3, giving us 8. So the numbers we are looking for, they are 2, 5, 8. Thank you very much. Just click on our plus button, follow us. Don't forget to like our content. Comment, because your feedback is very, very much important to us. Bye bye. We'll meet again.